Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The idea of a 2026 Bugatti Motorhome Caravan instantly conjures up images of unmatched luxury and engineering feats applied to the field of mobile living. Such a vehicle would go beyond the traditional definition of a recreational vehicle and would reflect the fundamental principles of the Bugatti brand: exceptional performance, fine craftsmanship, and innovative design, all while meeting the demands of long-distance travel. This imagined Bugatti Motorhome Caravan's external design would surely reference the aerodynamics and flowing lines of their hypercar heritage. Imagine a profile that skillfully combines the dynamic shapes of a Chiron or Devo with the Caravan structure. Despite the inherent increase in mass, it would be crucial to use lightweight yet incredibly strong materials, possibly sophisticated carbon fiber composites and aerospace-grade alloys, to preserve some aspect of Bugatti's performance philosophy. With custom alloy wheels and an advanced suspension system designed for both high-speed highway cruising and a surprisingly smooth ride on uneven terrain, the car would probably have a broad and aggressive stance. Its renowned provenance would be permanently marked by subtle yet distinctive Bugatti design cues, including the recognizable horseshoe grille, the painstakingly incorporated lighting signatures, and maybe even a glimpse of the brand's famous two-tone paint job. The 2026 Bugatti Motorhome Caravan's interior would be the pinnacle of luxury on wheels. It would be like walking inside a custom-built Grand Tourer transformed into an opulent dwelling. Every surface would be embellished with the best hand-stitched leathers, rare natural veneers, and painstakingly created metal accents. With a fully furnished gourmet kitchen with cutting-edge appliances seamlessly incorporated into the design, a master suite with an en-suite bathroom complete with upscale fixtures, and a lounge area outfitted with custom seating and entertainment systems utilizing the most recent developments in audiovisual technology, the layout would probably place a premium on space and functionality. Strategically positioned panoramic windows, perhaps equipped with electrochromic dimming features for privacy and light control, would let in an abundance of natural light. A powertrain worthy of the Bugatti name would support this mobile castle. One may imagine a highly sophisticated and powerful hybrid system, possibly based on Bugatti's current engines but modified to meet the needs of a larger car, even though the precise setup is still up in the air. In addition to a certain amount of electric-only capabilities for silent and emission-free running in urban or picturesque settings, this would guarantee smooth travel at high speeds. Regardless of the terrain, the chassis would include cutting-edge active suspension technology, guaranteeing outstanding ride comfort and stability. Modern driver assistance technologies that are subtly incorporated to preserve the integrity of the driving experience would further improve convenience and safety. In addition to being a vehicle for travel and lodging, the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome Caravan would make a statement as a mobile representation of the pinnacle of luxury and unmatched engineering. It would provide the flexibility to travel the world without sacrificing the custom luxury and outstanding performance that are known with the Bugatti name, catering to a niche market that demands the extraordinary in all aspects of their lives.